looking at the transformations, how you guys go from, it's like, it goes from basic to like extraordinary. Like I'm looking at that. What is that process like? What do y'all do to come up with some of these designs?
You see, for example, on this kitchen, okay, we move lots of things. The sink was in the peninsula, we move it on the back of the wall. We put the 48-inch range on the back of the wall, and we done lots of changes on the refrigerator, on the pantry side. And at the end of the day, these changes make your kitchen looks much bigger and much brighter and nicer.
Ooh, okay. I like it. Looks like you're taking us into the future with some of these designs. I like it. Okay.
Yes.
So that's stunning work. So speaking of adding value to an existing home, right now we're in the hottest home market in decades with prices just going up and up, right? So how do you help people maximize their investment, whether they're doing a remodeling or building a new home from the ground up?